Okay, start.
Yeah, myself Bhaskar, and it's a like a GRE. GRE for graduate record examination. It's a totally 4.5 hours exam. And normally, if any person having a degree, if you want to do as a master's in foreign, we will write exam. It's a totally 4.5 hours, and it is a 340 marks. And actually, GRE consists of 6 sections. Totally 6 sections are there. First one is like a verbal, do one like AWA means analytical writing assignment. Next, second one, verbal, 2 sections are there. And third, math, 2 sections are there. And fourth one as a experiment. This one section, this is 2 sections, this is 2 sections, this one. It's total 6 sections. In that verbal, 1 section, 20 questions, 35 minutes. And another second section also 20 questions, 35 minutes. Okay? Verbal 2 sections are there. In the 2 sections, 20 questions, 35 minutes. Another section also 20 questions, 35 minutes. And math also 2 sections. One section is 20 questions, same 35 minutes. Another one also 20 questions, 35 minutes. And totally 80 questions are there, and totally marks of 340 marks total. Actually, in that math means in that analytical writing assignment is there, right? In that analytical writing assignment, 2 things are there. One is related to issue, one more as a argument. Means we have to write that 2 essays. One is related to issue type and one more as a argument type. Totally 2 types. And in that verbal means 2 sections, which comes as vocabulary, like comprehension passages like that. Math means 2 sections. In that one section 20 questions, 35 minutes. And second one also 20 questions, 35 minutes. In that math, it consists of, they are asking like 4 kind of models. First one as a arithmetic. Second one as algebra. Third one geometry. And fourth one as data analysis and interpretation. And they ask all about like basics only and related that problems. And it consists of arithmetic, algebra, geometry, data analysis and interpretation. These 4 kind of models only they will ask. In that actually 4 types of questions are there. And 4 kind of models they will ask. First one is quantitative comparison. This is one kind of model. And second one is, here normally any other competitive exams we can get only one answer, right? But in GRE we can get more answers also, maybe 2, maybe 3, maybe 4 like that. And in the problem solving with one correct answer. And third one is problem solving with multiple correct answers. Means here we can get 3 options also, 4 answers also, 5 answers also. But it's depend on that particular questions. How we can remember that one means, in that options they can mention with square type of boxes. If they mention in options as a square type of boxes means we can get more than one answer. And how we can remember, one hint also there, In that place they will mention as indicate all such values. Indicate all such values. In that place we can get more than one answer. And last one is numeric solution. This kind of 4 models only they will ask in the exam, like in math. In the math 2 sections, actually 40 questions are there. If we know basics on these 4 topics, like 4 topics, like arithmetic, algebra, geometry, data analysis, like a data analysis and interpretation, we can get more than 30. We can get more than 30 because they will ask on related to the basics. In that related to verbal means if we have a good communication on that verbal means English, we can get a score.
Okay.
And they will provide you as a 340, 260 are the base marks, 260 are base marks. In that 130 are 130 related to verbal, 130 related to quant, means math. Means if we suppose in that 40 questions verbal are there, 40 questions math are there. If we score out of 80, if we score 40, then we can get easily 300.
Okay. So what is this analytical writing?
Yes, analytical writing assignment means they will give one passage, otherwise they will give some information. In that information we have to write related to issue or argument.
Okay.
Means we have to comment on that, otherwise we have to tell that one another way.
Okay.
That is as issue and argument. In that experimental means they will in that experimental means they will give one statement like that. For that we will give some information, we will write some information. Means they will ask related to some basics like what happened in recently years, like that they will ask some.
Okay.
And we have to write that particular what they give. Is it totally fine? Yeah.
So how many days will you be giving the?
Yes, yeah. For that I will tell you all the things. And actually GRE is a 45 days program.
Okay.
In this program we will give you as a week 2 days verbal
Okay.
and 2 days quant.
So 4 days a week.
Yeah, weekly 4 days and 2 days for practice. And we will conduct one test also every week. And after this one we will provide 15 full length tests also. Full length tests. And we will provide handouts also. Either quant or verbal, we will provide all handouts also. Suppose if we teach arithmetic today, and on that arithmetic we will provide one handout, 1 or 2 handouts.
Okay.
And we will teach you some problems and we will guide you also how we solve that problem also. And we will teach you from all basics onwards. And recently we got a score of 323 out of 340. We got one person in the 323, he got a marks.